In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to clear the cache on your iPhone. So first things first, go into your settings, which is the gear icon here. And the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to scroll down to where you see apps at the very bottom. Go to apps and then search the apps here for Safari, and then go ahead and go into Safari, which is your web browser, and then scroll down to where you see something that says clear history and website data. Tap that option there. You want to clear all history. Go ahead and tap the red button there that says clear history, and then you want to scroll up slightly where it says close tabs. Tap that option there, and then you can select whether you want to close them manually after 1 day. If you want this to stay clean and not slow down, you just go to after 1 day and you are good to go. And then if you use Google Chrome, you'll do the same there. Just search for Chrome and follow the same exact steps. The next thing we want to do is clear individual app data, and this will help speed up your phone and device as well. And in order to see this, we go to Settings once more, go down to General. Under General, go to iPhone Storage. Once you're under iPhone storage, you can see all the apps and the amount of data or space that they're taking up on your device. So let's go to, say, TikTok. So if we go to TikTok here, you can see that there are documents and data that are taking up almost 3 gigabytes of space on my device. The way that you clear it off per app is you go to that app like I'm doing here, and then you go to offload app. It says offloading will delete the app but keep its documents and data. If we offload that app there, what it'll do is it'll uninstall the app and then it will reinstall it. So as you can see, it gives us the option now to reinstall. Now we go ahead and tap reinstall, and then it'll reinstall the app, and as you can see, it will reinstall the app, clear up that cache, and remove all of that stuff that you don't need that could be taking up space on your device. I would go through many apps if you would, like this one here, CapCut. Go ahead and offload that app, and then it says offloading, it will delete the app, offload it there, and then just tap the button that says reinstall app, and you'll see a big difference in the space that it frees up on your device. The last thing I want to show you here on our app list, if we scroll down to the bottom, we'll see something that says System Data. Right there under iOS, tap on System Data. As you can see, this includes caches, logs, and other resources. The way that you clear system data on an iPhone is you force restart the device. So if you have a newer device, you would hit the volume up, volume down buttons, and then hold the power button on the right-hand side of your device. If you have an older device, you would hold both of them at the same time. Again, just Google how to force restart my specific device, and when you see the Apple logo, release the button, and then you'll come back here and all of that system data cache will be removed. If you have any questions, I'll put a frequently asked question pinned comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.